I had my girlfriends over for cocktails the other night and there were a few that couldn't have alcohol. So I made up this beautiful blackberry and ginger beer mocktail. It is a standout. Now you need to work a little bit ahead of time by putting your blackberries in the freezer. This is the garnish and it also acts like an ice cube. I love blackberries because they're full of antioxidants and they're sweet. And on top of it, they're going to make this mocktail really beautiful in colour. That beautiful purple colour is going to come out. So we'll need a punnet of frozen blackberries and then also some beautiful fresh ones. Look how fat and plump they are. They are just gorgeous. We're going to place these into a jug. So I'll add a few of those along with some sugar. And I like this sugar not only to sweeten up the mocktail, but it's going to help macerate these blackberries. So a few spoonfuls. It really depends on how sweet you want your mocktail. I like a little zest in here for some zing. So we'll just finely grate that in. And you could use a rolling pin. I'm using a pestle just to crush everything together to release as many of those juices out of the blackberries as possible. And you'll see they are so juicy, it just breaks down quite easily. Okay, we are ready to serve this up. So just a strainer over the jug and we're going to pop this straight over some ice. So just a few cubes of ice. We only need 3 because we're going to use those blackberries as ice too. And we'll pour the blackberry juice over the top. I'll add some ginger beer. And just to balance the sweetness, a little mineral water. Look at the colour of that. That looks so good, so refreshing. And finally, our frozen blackberries. Look at the colour of them. I just love how you can see how iced they are. We'll add a few to the top. That is the ultimate mocktail. Of course, if you wanted to make it alcoholic, you could add a splash of gin or even some vodka. Enjoy.